Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Splunk Enterprise Security, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your system meets the hardware and software requirements for Splunk Enterprise Security. Download the latest version of Splunk Enterprise from the official Splunk website. Once downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder and locate the installation file. Double-click the installation file to initiate the setup process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Splunk Enterprise. During installation, choose an installation directory that suits your preferences. When prompted, select whether you'd like to enable Splunk to start automatically after installation. Complete the installation process by clicking the Finish button. Next, open Splunk Enterprise by launching the application. Log in using your administrator credentials. The default username is admin, and the default password is changeme. Once logged in, update your password for security purposes. Now, navigate to the Apps menu located on the top left corner of the interface. Click on Find More Apps to access the Splunk base. Search for Splunk Enterprise Security in the search bar. Once you've found it, click on the app to view its details. Click the Install button to begin the installation of Splunk Enterprise Security. You may need to accept the license agreement to proceed. Splunk will download the app and then install it onto your Splunk instance. After installing, return to the Apps menu and you should see Enterprise Security listed. Click on Enterprise Security to launch the app for the first time. You will be prompted to configure data inputs for the app. Follow the setup wizard to configure necessary data sources. If you're integrating with various data sources, ensure to set up your data models accordingly. Consider reviewing and configuring the security settings as per your organizational needs. Once you have configured your data inputs, navigate to the Settings menu to fine-tune additional settings. You may want to configure alerts and reports to enhance your security monitoring. Lastly, review the documentation provided by Splunk for best practices. Ensure that you perform periodic updates to keep your Splunk Enterprise security up to date. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.